A letter is selected at random from the word examinations. Find the probability that the letter selected is N. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. A letter is selected from the word examinations. The question wants us to find the probability that the letter selected is N. The probability that the letter selected is N is equal to the number of N's in this word divided by the total number of letters in this word. The total number of letters in the word examinations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 letters in the word. The number of N's in this word are 1, 2. So the total number of letters in the word examinations is 12, and the number of N's in the word examinations is 2. The probability that the letter selected at random is N is equal to the number of N's in the word, which is 2, divided by the total number of letters in the word, which is 12. 2 divided by 12 will give us 1 divided by 6. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.